Why do Nigerians always substitute the D sound for the hard TH? THOSE is those, not those. Those is a short slip. MOTHER is mother, not mother. Mother is to kill somebody. So if you really want to improve your English pronunciation of words, I'm readily available to help. Send me an email or a message via WhatsApp. Today we have two rhymes. Harmattan, hence, listen. Harmattan comes once in a year. It's time of dry and cold the air. Scaly skin, red as well. Dust, dust in the air. Harmattan comes once in a year. Dust, dust everywhere. We have this sound in the word harmattan. Hence. To touch my feet and count my toes, comb my hair and blow my nose, hold my waist and twist down low. Hands. We have this sound in the word hands and hold. Next week we'll be doing the sound A, the short A sound. Ink for me. I bet you'll be prepared. So about the TH sound. THOSE, those. THAT, that. THIS, this. Not those